Hi friends, if you have a Shopify e-commerce website and for any reason you want to switch on WooCommerce, so both platforms are very good. So I'm just assuming for any reason you want to switch a Shopify website to WooCommerce, how you can do this we are going to watch in this video. I am bringing all the great WordPress solutions on this channel, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, you may please subscribe this channel. In this video we are going to view how and using which plugin. Actually this is a plugin solution, and we can install a simple plugin and simply import all the Shopify store data to our WooCommerce installation. Let us see how it works. This is the installation of WooCommerce. I'm in the WordPress with WooCommerce, and we just need to install a plugin. And I'll install the plugin first of all, and definitely I'll let you know which plugin I am installing. So just be with me until the end of this video. It is going to be very simple, super simple, and you can import your complete Shopify data to your WooCommerce website after using this plugin. First of all, I will install the plugin. I will go to the plugin section and add new plugin, upload plugin, and I choose the file that we need to upload. This is the plugin, and simply click on install now. I'll tell you the plugin name. Just have patience, and I'll also tell you where you can get the plugin. Okay, so this just we need to activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you can, okay, so just it is a message, and you can see the setting options. Once you install the plugin, this is the setting option, and you just need to do simple setting with this plugin, like you have to put the store address, access token, API key, and API secret. That all you can avail at your Shopify account. And there is a video available from the plugin developer itself. So this plugin has been developed by the Villa theme, I must tell you, and a video is available how you can generate the API keys like API secrets, API keys, and access token. So you can watch that video. I'm not going to repeat the things. And you have to do simple settings like manage options, import CSV formats, cron products. So basic settings are here, and import products option, how you want to import the products, all these things. So you have to explore all these options that you want at your WooCommerce website. I mean, you are connecting your Shopify website to WooCommerce for importing the data, so you have to configure the parameters how actually you want to import the data, like import order options are here, and further you can change the import coupon options and import customer options, and further import blog options. So all these settings you have to do at very first instance, at very first time. I mean, this is a single time activity, and you can save and check key once you put all these data. So as I said, you can follow a video. Definitely I'll show you where you can find the video, how you can get the access token from your Shopify account, and you can put all these details and you can start importing. I'll take you to the live instance how it is working. Okay, so this is the live instance of the plugin that we are using to import the Shopify e-commerce data to the to our WooCommerce website, and this is active. I mean, this instance has been created by the developer itself, the plugin developer, and you can see all is set here, and we can simply put all the parameters, all the details that we want to import, and we have toggle options if we want to import the pages, blogs, and customers and all such things. And we can simply click on import data and it will start working. So it is nothing like technical thing. Okay, so API is just a demo, so this is why it is showing red, but it will work like this way. And I was talking about where you can get the video. So this is the video that is available. I'm going to add the link of this video, YouTube video. This video is going to show you how you can get the access token from the Shopify account. So I'm not going to repeat these things. This is available on YouTube itself, and you can also access another video how you can use this plugin. So I am simply targeting in this video to tell you about the solution. This is available solution and you can use at your WooCommerce website, just in case if you wish to import all the contents, all the data, all the products information from Shopify to WooCommerce. This is the solution. So this is objective of this video, that the solution, which is the solution. Okay, so simply you can set other things like cron products, cron orders, and webhooks, and import by ID. These are another options available. Like you can set all these things like import CSV forms, and you can use the CSV formats, and you can check the fade images here, and the logs you can check, and the system status will be shown by the plugin itself. So now coming to the thing, which is this plugin. This is plugin S2W, import Shopify to WooCommerce, migrate your store from Shopify to WooCommerce. This is the plugin name. The plugin is well available on the code canyon.com for $59. Again, I'm going to add the link of this store, this product where you can buy the theme, and it is really important to buy the plugin only from the video description link. It is going to help us. And if you are facing any trouble in installation and importing the data even, so we can help you in this regard. But yes, buy the plugin only through the link that is given in the video description. And it is a wonderful plugin. It is being used by others as well. You can see the sales and you can see the review ratings. So it is working very fine, and the plugin got 4.80 rating. That is very good at the Envato market. And the plugin has been developed by the Villa theme, and they are of course Power Elite Author, and we are using multiple solutions from the Villa themes in terms of theme plugins and other things at our development project. So it is really wonderful, and the plugin is being updated time to time. So don't worry about the updates and the compatibility issues and like the things. So everything is there. And one more thing, just in case, if you want to use the free version, it is also available. So it is not like premium product only. You can use this product for free as well, and there are definitely some limitations, but you can import the Shopify data to your WooCommerce website without paying. So this plugin is also available for free. So I am going to add this link as well. Don't worry about the links. You'll find everything in the video description, and just start importing. It will definitely work for you. So let us meet in our another video, in which I am going to bring another great WordPress solution for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.